The Opelaser PRO II dental CO2 laser can promote faster healing and reduce the risk of infection, resulting in better overall post-surgical outcomes. Its precision technology has been a game changer in the field of the dentistry. During a dental procedure, the Opelaser PRO II laser beam can specifically target only the damaged or diseased tissue, while leaving healthy tissue intact. This precise method results in minimal trauma to the surrounding tissue, allowing for faster healing and less scarring. The Opelaser PRO II stimulates the production of biological glue such as collagen, which is critical in rebuilding and strengthening damaged tissue during the healing process. Moreover, reducing the risk of infection after a dental procedure is crucial to a successful post-surgical outcome. Incorporating the Opelaser PRO II into your dental practice can provide your patients with the best possible care and outcome.